Hi there, students. Mojo. Okay, mojo is a countable or uncountable noun. Notice this word is very American. The British don't really use this very much, but they will certainly understand it. Let's see. Mojo is magic. It's a magic charm. It's a magic spell. Yeah. Let's see. The origin of mojo comes from uh, African American voodoo spells. A mojo is like a little bag which has got special magical items in it that you can wear on your body. You carry it with you. It's like a magic spell. Yeah. And you carry your mojo bag around with you. But this word mojo has moved into mainstream language. Yeah. So somebody with a lot of mojo is somebody who has a special quality that makes them successful, that makes them full of energy, that makes them attractive to people. So the politician used his mojo to persuade people to vote for him. And I think that's why he won the election. So influence, but especially magic power. So I think brand names very often have a lot of mojo associated with them, a magic power that people feel, well, it's got this brand name, so it must be good. Yeah. Mojo, it's like your personal power over other people or your personal influence. So a successful singer or a successful music artist has a lot of mojo. Yeah, he worked his mojo and the crowd started screaming immediately. Okay, so he used his special charm, his uncanny personal power. He used his influence. A good leader needs mojo, this je ne sais quoi, this tiny, this bit that people say, wow. A good teacher needs mojo, something that means that they can relate to the students and the students feel a connection. Yeah, particularly in classes of kids. If you have a class of kids and you're a teacher and you don't have mojo, then you're going to be in trouble. Okay, so this mojo, it's this amulet that brings magic powers originally, but mojo nowadays, power, luck, particularly of a supernatural origin. Yeah, something that, well, it means you just you persuade people to magically to do what you want. My friend worked his mojo and got us into the concert despite the fact we didn't have any tickets. Yeah. The player seemed to have lost his mojo and couldn't and didn't play well. He just couldn't score. But then suddenly, a month ago, he seemed to have got his mojo back. His mojo was working. Yeah. Simon seems to have this mojo when it comes to picking up pretty girls. He's like a babe magnet, as they put it. Yeah. I think when somebody's in their groove and they're doing things well and they're interacting very well, this is their mojo working. Okay, so mojo. Notice as well, actually, this word mojo, we could use it, has another meaning as a Cuban sauce with garlic, olive oil, and oranges. But I guess you'd call it mojo, or probably something like that, which itself probably comes from Spanish mojar, to make wet. This word mojo itself probably comes from has an African origin. Yeah. You have this phrase gula mojo, sorry, gula moko, which is talking about witchcraft. Okay, so Mojo, it's got this idea of witchcraft, of special magic, yeah, using magic to make things happen. Yeah, he's got incredible mojo. He always seems to be able to make things happen. So let's see. Remember, this phrase is American. You can use it in British English, and people are going to understand you. And this is informal. I think I'd probably give it a 3.5 informality. I would use it in an informal conversation, and I wouldn't use it in anything more formal than that. Okay, so yeah, I think I've been working my mojo here in this video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Mojo.